We have selected the Chicago Skyway as our project because all of the dangers and engineering flaws that the bridge has. This bridge is old and outdated and has the possibility of falling apart as people are driving on it. Along with the small lanes and confusing signage, this bridge is possibly one of the worst roads in America to drive on. Some of the dangers are the Chicago Skyway has many dangers to drivers that they come across it. Many of the dangers on this road have the possibility to kill or to injure people, and the lanes on the road are very small, causing possible crashes and damages to people's cars on the bridge. The road conditions on the bridge can also cause loss of control of the vehicle and cause other vehicles to crash into one another. The bridge does not have adequate drainage to drain water that comes on the bridge from rainfall, and this causes cars to hydroplane occasionally. Along with damages to cars due to other drivers, pothole damage is also an issue. Along with losing control of the vehicle, damages anywhere from ranging up to $75 to $500 depending on the damages that are caused to the vehicle. The bridge itself is very dangerous. Beams and bolts are rusting out, and this causes potential injuries to drivers, as well as the possibility of the bridge collapsing. The rusting causes the possibility of beams and metal objects to fall on top of drivers on the bottom of the bridge. The main damages that are affiliated with the bridge are car accidents. Most of the accidents that do happen are mainly minor damages from car-to-car accidents, and they cause lots of pricey damages to other vehicles.
So some other issues on the Chicago Skyway's many traffic issues. The lane was originally a 3-lane road, and it was converted into 5 lanes to open up for more traffic. However, that did not cause any flow of traffic to be any better. Another thing that happens is that many people like to use the emergency lanes to pass their cars, and there's a lot of road construction. So as you can see in this picture here, that the road is constantly under construction. And on this next slide, we have the vehicles traveled daily in 2014. So here is a picture of the Chicago Skyway meeting with I-94. And as you can see that there's around about 7,000 miles traveled on each ramp. And yes.
For this bridge, we'd like to do some upgrades to help out the bridge savability and upgrade the safety on this bridge. We'd like to fill in the potholes, put stronger braces in the bridge, lower the speed, redesign the project of this bridge. As you can see on this bridge, there's it's tight and rusty beams, not so safe on the sides, and there's a lot of cars that speed through these concrete roads with potholes. And on the side here, you can see there's rusty bolts, and not so safe metal crates on the bottom.
So another issue we are having with the Sky Bridge is that the lighting is old and outdated, and there's only really lighting at the toll booth and at the bridge. The lighting needs to be updated to the point that it's adequate. The signage is really confusing, doesn't make clear sense. In some points, the on and off ramps, you cannot clearly tell where they are at. So it'd be easier if there were better and clearer signage. This is a picture of the toll booth, where the lighting is okay for right now. They use incandescent lighting, and it should probably be updated to the less usage of LEDs. This is one of the signs on the bridge that is, to me, a little bit confusing. Sometimes off ramps are just confusing because of the way that the signage is posted, and it just needs to be stated clear.
The toll cost is another problem, with a toll cost increase of 100% or more in the last 12 years. Specifically for 2-axle vehicles, it has increased up to $5.50, or about 25 cents per year on average. Frequent problems with the toll booth not working is a problem. Customer service is also a problem. And there are dangers due to this, because cars may have to back up if the braces decide not to raise or lower. Bad weather has been known to cause these issues. With it being snowy in Chicago, it causes the electronics to have problems. One of our solutions to this was to create a variable toll cost so that it's cheaper during certain times for certain vehicle classifications, And another solution was more regular maintenance on the toll booths themselves.